Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best face massagers that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, ESARORA Ice Roller for Face Massager. This ice roller relieves eye puffiness. You can use it before you put on makeup in the morning to get rid of facial swelling. Plus, you can use it with masks to shrink skin pores. It calms irritated skin after exposure to the sun, and it helps prevent the appearance of wrinkles. In addition to its effect on the skin, you can also use it to relieve migraines, sore muscles, and fatigue. It's a breeze to use. You don't have to buy batteries. Detach the head and store it in the freezer. Whenever you want to use it, just pop it out of the freezer and attach it to the handle. Then, you can apply some moisturizer, and you're good to go. If you're the type of person who loves rolling a can of soda across your face for cool relief, Rebel Wilson's favorite ice roller is exactly what you need. Not only does this ice roller do the job of promoting lymphatic drainage and settling inflammation, but it's also great for battling a headache or sunburn. But it has one major advantage: its size. The petite model is perfect for use around the eyes. Pop it in the refrigerator to help decrease puffiness in the morning. Number 2, 100% natural Jade Face Roller Anti-Aging Jade Face Massager. The Chinese skincare and healing system since the 17th century. They are known to detoxify your skin and promote lymphatic drainage while bringing peace and harmony to your life. The blue jade roller from Bulax, carved from natural jade stone, obtained from the Himalayas, brings these benefits to your skin care routine. This dual-ended roller offers gentle massage to calm, depuff, and tighten your skin in a few seconds. It eliminates muscle strain while smoothing wrinkles and fine lines to reveal better and healthy skin. You can use the large-sized stone for cheeks, jawline, neck, and forehead, whereas the smaller-sized stone is for under-eye treatment. This natural jade roller and gua sha combo 5 stars, and love that they make their morning and evening skin care routine more relaxing. Though this roller is budget-friendly, one verified Amazon reviewer says it's easily worth $1,000. They're right, I never thought this roller could be so helpful, and now it's rescuing my face. I've been struggling with dark circles and eye bags for years. After the first week, I already noticed that my eyes bags were slightly smaller. Struggling with dark circles and eye bags for years. After the first week, I already noticed that my eyes bags were slightly smaller. Number 3, Kinku Jade Roller for Face 3-in-1 Kit with Facial Massager. Kinku Jade Roller Kit features 3 products in one box. The Jade Roller has 2 heads. The large head can be used to massage the cheeks, forehead, chin, and neck. The small head is for the smaller areas around the eyes and above the nose. The rigid roller is used in the same way as the larger roller. It can be used on the forehead, face, and chin. It can also be used to massage other body parts like the legs and arms. The rigid roller can relieve skin tension and promote blood circulation. Gua sha is a natural skin scraping tool that improves your blood circulation. This healing technique may be ancient, but it offers a unique solution to some health issues, like chronic pain. The Real Housewives, while they subject their bodies to sub-zero temperatures, have become increasingly popular in recent years, and it's no surprise they've found a way to pop into skincare, too. Cryo tools, like this dual-ended face roller, use professional-grade stainless steel to bring the skin down to 45 degrees. The temperature Beauty Bio says is known to help increase microcirculation and collagen production, as well as flush out toxins. If you want an ice roller but don't have space or won't remember to keep it in the freezer, you'll love the fact that this dual roller chills in 2 minutes. Number 4, 2-in-1 Face Massager Golden Facial Electric. That's another 2-in-1 product. It has a T-shaped massage tool and a 3D roller. It's battery operated and waterproof. So, you can use it in the shower or with any products to get the best results. You can use the 3D roller all over your body, thanks to the V-shape type that fits all body curves. You can also use it on your face to reduce dark circles and wrinkles. The T-shaped roller head features 6,000 vibrations per minute to tighten your facial skin and reduce wrinkles. The fact that it stays cool in the fridge. When you use a cool face massager, it helps constrict blood vessels to decrease puffiness, she says. The New York-based dermatologist also appreciates its small size, which she considers perfect for using around the eye area. Gentle rolling under the eyes from the midline toward the sides can help decrease fluid accumulation, adds King. It increases the skin's ability to absorb skincare products and improves blood circulation. In addition, regular massage with the wand enhances lymphatic drainage to increase collagen production and remove toxins. Number 5. Face Massager Roller Golden 3D Roller Electric. The actual art of facial rolling is rooted in Chinese medicine and has been used by healers for centuries. In the beauty industry, we commonly use facial rollers to help depuff the face, reduce fluid retention, and increase circulation to the skin for a more sculpted appearance with a glow. Face massage tools are typically made of jade, rose quartz stone or another type of crystal, which provides a natural cooling effect, according to Coppola. She also points out that facial rollers can incorporate vibrating qualities and energy-based modalities to further stimulate facial muscles. Still, there's a wide range of facial rollers out there, making it hard to know which one is best. Facial rollers range anywhere from a gua sha stone to a jade facial roller, according to Coppola. Some utilize an ice roller, which incorporates the process of cryotherapy to tighten the skin and minimize pores. Joie Tavernies, esthetician and founder of JTAV Clinical Skincare in New York City, adds that facial rollers can be made using stainless steel or aluminum. As she puts it, these simple tools stimulate and relax the muscles in your face and neck by gently moving around excess fluid. And like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.